Have you ever wondered how our legal system ensures fairness and predictability, making sure that similar cases are treated in similar ways? The process for applying legal precedents is a structured method where courts analyze past judicial decisions, known as stare decisis, to guide their rulings in current cases. This foundational principle brings stability and consistency to the law, ensuring that judges do not simply invent new rules for every dispute. The why behind this is the doctrine of stare decisis, a Latin phrase meaning to stand by things decided. It is a cornerstone of common law systems, including ours in the United States. This doctrine provides that courts should adhere to prior decisions, or precedents, when faced with similar facts and legal questions. It ensures that the law evolves gradually and predictably, rather than changing abruptly with each new case or judge. It also upholds judicial legitimacy by demonstrating that decisions are based on established legal principles, not personal whims. Applying precedent involves several key steps. First, a court identifies the relevant legal issue at hand. Second, it searches for existing precedents, primarily from higher courts within the same jurisdiction, that address similar issues. Third, the court carefully compares the facts of the current case to those of the precedent cases, looking for similarities and distinguishing differences. Finally, the court applies the legal rule or principle established in the precedent to the current case, explaining its reasoning for either following the precedent or, in rare instances, distinguishing or even overturning it. It is important to understand that not all precedents are created equal. Vertical precedent means lower courts must follow decisions from higher courts in their jurisdiction, like a federal district court following a circuit court of appeals. Horizontal precedent refers to a court following its own prior decisions, though this is less strictly binding, especially for higher courts like the Supreme Court. Furthermore, a precedent can be binding authority, meaning it absolutely must be followed, or persuasive authority, meaning it can be considered but does not have to be followed, depending on the jurisdiction and level of the court. Ultimately, understanding the process of applying legal precedents reveals how the law maintains its integrity and adapts over time. It is a dynamic system that balances stability with the ability to address new societal challenges, providing a predictable framework for justice while allowing for reasoned development and refinement of legal principles.